Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I missed y'all yesterday. I was incredibly sick and like Sunday night into yesterday. Didn't leave my couch, but we were outside the CVS, and CVS has their big beauty event. If you haven't heard, you must be living under a rock, or you just waited for me, but I highly doubt that, but that's okay. If you don't watch everyone, how are you gonna know all the deals, right? But there's a printable breakdown just in case you do want to take it to the store with you or check it out. There's a subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So our first deal is going to be on Kotex. It's the You Buy Kotex are on promotion for buy two, get $2 in extra bucks, and their buy one, get one 50% off. The best way to do this deal is to grab the BioCare products. These are $6.29 on my store, so grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $9.43. We have a $1 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $8.43 at the register. Get the $2 in extra bucks for buying two. Plus, we're going to take our receipt, submit it to Ibotta, where we have $2 back on each box. So we'll get a total of $4 back from Ibotta, making them $2.43 for both boxes. Great deal on Love's diapers. If it's a brand you use or something you need, they're on promotion for buy two, get $5 in extra bucks, and they're two for $12. So grab your two sizes that you need. We have a $1.50 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app, so you'll pay $10.50 at the register, get the $5 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $5.50 for both. So this whole toothpaste aisle isn't tagged, but that's okay. I'm actually surprised there's two of these left. But Tom's Main toothpaste this week is on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. Buy two, get $4 in extra bucks. So there's $7.79 on my store, so grabbing one at full price, one at 50% off will be $11.68. We have an $8 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $3.68, but we'll get $4 in extra bucks for buying two, making them a 31-cent moneymaker. So if you're not doing this in part of the beauty event, this is an amazing deal to do on its own. Another deal for the Epic Beauty event is on the Crest or Oral-B toothpaste or toothbrushes. They're on promotion for buy three, get $5 in extra bucks. And I think these are the ones that included the $4.99 toothbrushes. My app is having a hard time loading in here, so I'm just guessing. But if they're on sale for $3.99, so you'll grab a total of three of them for $11.97. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you pay $6.97, get the $5 in extra bucks, make them $1.97 for all three, but that's only if you're doing that deal by itself. Another option are these Chi iron guards. They are $6.79. There's no price tag, but I just scanned them at the red box. So you'll grab two of them for $13.58, and then when you buy two professional styling products, you'll get $10 in extra bucks, making them $3.58 for both. So another deal you can do is on the Aveeno body wash. They're on promotion for buy one, get one 40% off. Buy two, get $5 in extra bucks. You can grab a couple different sizes. They have the smaller sizes for $10.49. I'm gonna be grabbing these medium size for $11.99. So grabbing one at full price, one at 40% off will be $19.18. We have a $5 off of two digital coupons, so I'll pay $14.18. Get the $5 in extra bucks and make them $9.18. But I'm gonna be putting this in my spend 30 deals. So let's see what else I'm gonna grab. So one scenario is to grab the Aveeno body wash and the Tom's Main toothpaste. Your total will be $30.86. Remember, we have the $8 digital coupon for the Tom's Main, and then the $5 digital coupon for the Aveeno. Then we have the spend 30 coupon, so you'll be left to pay $7.86 at the register, making grabbing both of these, or all four of these products, a $1.13 moneymaker. Another way to do a deal or put in this transaction is the Neutrogena Acne Care. They spend $10, get $5 in extra bucks. You can grab something like these acne patches or these face scrubs that are $10.99, or you can even grab the body wash if that's something you want. And if you grab one of the $10.99 products, then we have a $3.50 digital coupon, so you'll pay $7.49, get the $5 in extra bucks for spending 10, making them $2.49. So the way I'm actually going to do this deal is to grab these three products and my total will be $30.17. So we're over that $30 mark, and after digital coupons I'll be left to pay $11.67, including the 10 off of 30 beauty. Then we'll get $5 in extra bucks for the Neutrogena, $5 in extra bucks for the Aveeno, making them $1.67 for all three. But we're not done. We're gonna submit to the Activate Rewards. I haven't done that offer yet. So for spending 30, because it's before coupons, CRTs, extra bucks, all that jazz, we'll get $10 digital gift card from them, making this $8.33 moneymaker. Some other deals you can grab are the Aveeno facial care. It's on promotion for spend 25, get $10 in extra bucks, and this tracks towards the spend 30 beauty event. Plus, a lot of it does track towards the Activate Rewards offer. So a couple items that you can grab is this daily moisturizing face lotion. That's $12.99. And you can grab like this brightening scrub for $12.99 as well. So grabbing both of those will be $25.98. For the face lotion, we have a $5 digital coupon. And then for the scrub, we have a $3 digital coupon. So you'll pay $17.98, but get the $10 in extra bucks for spending 25, making them $7.98 for both. Plus, as long as you grab another $4.02 of items, you can use the spend 30 to get an extra $10 off. So select Vaseline products are on promotion for spend 15, get $4 in extra bucks. You can grab your favorite ones, and we have a $2 digital coupon. So depending on what you grab is what you'll pay, but that's another way to save on products that you actually want. Another deal is on the Palmers. They're on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off, buy two, get $6 in extra bucks. The best way to do this deal is to grab the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Lotion. It's $6.99. You'll grab one at full price, one at 50% off. Your total will be $10.48. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so you pay $8.98. Get the $6 in extra bucks for buying two, make them $2.98. And these also do track for the beauty event. Tons of the CVS brand body care products are buy one get one free. So if you're super close to getting your $30, you can grab something like these sponges or these body scrubs, the cotton rounds and all those. The cotton balls are also included, and they are a little cheaper at like $3. So definitely grab what you need. Let's go over our spend 30, get $10 in extra bucks household deal. So I knew this would be out of stock because of how good of a deal this is in the spend 30. But it's the Cottonelle. First of all, why are the Cottonelle so dang expensive originally? But they're on sale for $8.99. Usually when we get coupons, they're like $10.99. But they're on sale for $8.99, and we have a $2 off of 2 digital coupon. That's why I knew the shelf would be empty. Tide Pods are on sale for $5.49, and there's a $1 digital coupon. Dawn Power Wash are $5.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon. Or the Dawn Platinum are, I think it's just the Power Suds. Let me rephrase. $5.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon. Alright, so this is the spend 30 deal that I just randomly threw together because obviously the Cottonelle is out of stock. So I had to put together something, and I need more Tide Pods for my favorite customer, so it's a win-win for me. So grabbing all 4 of these products, my total is $30.46. For the Dawn Power Wash, we have a $2 digital coupon. For the Platinum Suds, we have a $2 digital coupon. For the Tide Pods, the small one, we have a $1 digital coupon. For the large Tide Pods, we have a $3 digital coupon. I'll be left to pay $22.46 at the register. We'll get the $10 in extra bucks for spending $30, making them $12.46 for all 4 products. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so annoyed. I just put the screen protector on last week, and I already cracked the corner. Like, I have the worst luck with screen protectors. I just replaced the phone I'm using and this one on the same day, like not even a week ago, I want to say, and that one's already cracked. Thankfully, it's up in the corner though. Last time it was like down here and it was so annoying. So at least it's out of the way this time, but also really annoying. All right, I know my store would be sold on this deal as well because this deal is so good. The Ajax dish soap is on promotion for buy one, get one 40% off. Buy two, get $2 in extra bucks. They're $3.49 at my store, so grabbing two will be $5.58. We have a $2.50 digital coupon off of two, so you pay $3.08 at the register. Get the $2 in extra bucks for buying two. Make them $1.08 for both. Like, what is that? 50, almost 60 cents each. That is dirt cheap. Check your pet food area. There is tons of clearance. Thank you to Lee for telling me about this. There's some 75% off. It looks like dog food, 50% off wet dog food. There's some treats that are on clearance, some brushes, this toy that's 75% off. Y'all look, Canine Advantix, 75% off. That's insane. So I'm actually going to be grabbing this because I use flea and tick medicine on my dogs. I just kind of grab whatever looks good, to be quite honest. And for $10 for a 2 count, that is pretty cheap. I looked at PetSmart because that's usually where I shop for this kind of stuff, and that is like I can't like $35 for this box usually. I'm also gonna grab this churro broth, $2.75. I think that's not that bad of a price for a 5 count. All right, we're back in from checkout, and did I spend more than I expected to going in? Yes, I did. But big shout out to Lee once again for the pet food clearance. Well, not just pet food, but like the pet clearance, because that's where I spent a lot more money on than I planned on it. But that's okay because, like I said, these like the Canine Advantix, like how often do we get savings on them? Like never, to be quite honest. So it's things I have to buy anyway, so I am more than happy to spend the little extra money. And then I grabbed two Temptations, and these are cheaper than Walmart. And how often do we get deals on these? Hardly ever. And they're not good. They're not I did check the expiration date. They don't expire until next year. So my cats are gonna love them. Why not get them? Right. Anyway, so that's everything I grabbed. I guess I didn't really check the clearance prices just to make sure they rang in right. I should have done that, but that's okay. It looks like everything, yeah. It looks like the Canine, I could have sworn the price tag said like $9 for the Canine Advantix. Looks like it says $7.34, so maybe I missed, maybe I'm losing my mind. Anyway, so we had, for digital coupons, we had the $3 for the Tide Pods. These are all extra bucks I used to roll and lower my out of pocket. We had the $1 for the Tide Pods, $2 for the Dawn Power Wash, $3.50 for the Neutrogena, $10 for the Epic Beauty, $2 for the Dawn Power Suds, and then $5 for the 2 Aveeno body wash. So all the digital coupons that were supposed to came off. So my subtotal was, like I said, it's higher because of the pet clearance. For the pet clearance, I spent probably like $15-ish, but it was $39.73. Then for extra bucks earned, I did earn $10 extra buck for spending $30. Then I earned the $5 extra buck for the Aveeno bath care. And then lastly, the $5 extra buck for the Aveeno or Neutrogena, my bad. So I earned everything that I was supposed to. Everything worked out perfectly, actually. So did I have a higher out of the pocket than expected? Yes, but it's a good higher out of the pocket because how much money I am saving. Like the canine Advantix, like I said, I have 2 dogs. It's gonna be gone. Like, I'll probably use those next. I don't see an expiration date on those, but I can't believe that they'd be that they'd expire or anything. But that, whatever. It's towards the end of the season anyway, but I always do an extra month just to be on the safe side. I always do them early and late in the year because you never know how these bugs are gonna hold on. I have found ticks super early in Wisconsin, so I've always been like mentally prepared. I was like, one day we're gonna get a hot streak and they're just gonna come back alive. I don't know. I'm just crazy like that. I'd rather spend the extra money and be cautious and on the safe side than having ticks or fleas, because those are just so terrible. And especially, I've never had fleas, but I cannot imagine trying to get rid of those. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you can find some amazing deals and find some pet clearance if it's something that you're looking for. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.